and I make videos about camping, hiking and all things outdoors. So today I've been at work sat at my computer all day, and I just got home and decided that what I'd really like to do is go up a hill and sleep for the night, because I just need some fresh air. I've just seen this really beautiful sunset. It's kind of gone now. The amazingness of it has pretty much faded away, but it still looks really beautiful. So I'm just going to go pick somewhere to set up camp, and I'll take you there with me. So I've just got set up in my tent. It's pretty dark when I pitched, and I am just about to make a hot toddy and some dinner. My favourite drink to have up a hill is obviously a hot toddy, so I've just boiled some water and I've got some rum. A really massive squeeze of honey. Of a lemon juice without a poo on it would be nice. And a little bit more lemon actually, because I like it really lemony. Okay, that should be good. Keep away the cold though. So I'm going to enjoy this, and then I might have dinner. Well, I will have dinner. I've never not had dinner in my life, so that will be good. Let's give it a taste test. Cheers, that's really good. I'm going to have my favourite ever camping dinner. Bachelors, if you want to sponsor me, please do, because this is my favourite. Bean feast bolognese, which is like some sort of soy dried chili. It's not very spicy, and it's vegan, I think. And some couscous. This is my favourite couscous, and it is the best ever camping meal. So in case you're wondering how I make such delicious looking camping food as this, I basically take half a packet of the bean feast and cook it in like a lot more water than it says, and wait for it to, I only boil it for like a couple of minutes, because that's all it needs really. And then once it's nice and like liquidy and hot and bubbly and frothy, I add in the full packet of couscous, and then I'll stick this lid on it and just leave it for 5 minutes for the couscous to like cook. And so it looks like just goes like really delicious and thick. Okay, so I've had my dinner and finished my rum, and I am all snuggled up in my thick sleeping bag. And yeah, it's about 8 o'clock now, and all that's left to do is read for a bit. So I borrowed this book from my work friend. It's Lost Connections by Johann Hari, and it's really good. I'm really excited to read it. So I'm aware that quite a few people think it is weird for a girl to go camping on her own. Here's some reasons why I like going camping on my own. So my number one reason is literally to have some alone time. So I work in customer service, and I've got 2 really lovely housemates, but that means that I'm like very rarely like actually on my own and just having time to like think and chill and like, I don't know, just be quiet. Okay, so it is 9 o'clock and I am ready to go to bed. I've read some of my book and brushed my teeth, and got my warm bed socks on, and yeah, I'm ready to go to bed. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll have a really good sleep and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. So I slept okay last night. It was really windy though, so the wind kept me awake a little bit, and a sheep was barring really loud in the night really close to my tent, which was a little bit annoying, but I'm awake and now it is time for coffee. So I've just packed up my camp. I had such a nice wild camp. It was like really, I just needed it basically. It was quite windy, so that was quite loud because I didn't really put my tent up very well in the dark, I'll be honest. And a sheep scared the absolute shit out of me in the night because it bleated like so loud it sounded like it was inside my tent. But yeah, I had a really nice wild camp. I camped next to, this is the roundabout on a hill called the Bay. I'll just go to the trig point and then I have to go. So I just got back into the car. I couldn't speak to you whilst I was up the hill. It's so windy. I think I made the right choice sleeping behind that wall because I nearly plonked my tent right by the trig point, obviously for the best pictures. So yeah, I'm glad that I made a good decision there. And so now it is 8:05, about 40 minutes to get back down the hill, have a shower and get into work. So yeah, fingers crossed I'll do it. Yeah, thanks for following along. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.